Nga stand sa plano sang DILG nga ipakakas ko no ang sangguniang kabataan as the federation sa Iloilo. Ano yung mga stand diri?
Yeah, actually I've heard it last 2 days ago, I think, coming from our DILG secretary, si Secretary Rimulya. Anyway, of course, first and foremost, we respect ang opinion ni Secretary Rimulya sa DILG natin. But in my humble opinion, in our humble view man, it is still vital that there is a youth representation, especially sa atin na grassroots level. Because if we abolish it, paano na lang ang mga young people natin? They'll be deprived sa ilang voice to voice out their concerns, to support their advocacies, and of course, para man makaselebrate ng ilang strength. So rather than the SK abolition, we would like to call on, why not we rather call other agencies like NYC and DILG to really strengthen ang aton yung mga measurements and obligations sa mga sangguniang kabataan para mas maging productive kag mas maging ma-apply gid nila ang ilan na mga ulubrahon sa ilang mga tagsa ka barangay. So, and of course, I really believe that if its abolition will weaken the democracy of that very important sector, which is the youth. Approved naman na sa ating youth, yeah, they're the very important sector of our society. So our youth really deserve a rightful seat at the table, not a closed door sa Manana. Thank you very much.